Hello world, Om Namah Shivaya. I am Yogi Global and welcome back to my channel. Let's start next episode of our Ashtanga Yoga series. In our last video, we discussed 8 parts, 8 limbs of Ashtanga Yoga, in which we discussed first part, which is Yam. Yam, your attitude towards outer world. How you live in discipline or indiscipline with outer world. So in today's video, we are going to discuss the first step of the Yam, which is Ahimsa. Let's understand what Ahimsa is. Ahimsa means non-violence. Non-violence with others. How you treat others. So this is the first step of Yam, which is Ahimsa. Non-violence in your actions, in your thoughts, in your words, for others and for yourself also. This is the first pillar of a true yoga. You are doing yoga and say, I am tired, I am restless, I am not happy, and people says if you do yoga you will become happy. They say you do yoga and you will become happy, but I am telling you that performing only asanas and doing breathing exercise is not yoga. This Ashtanga Yoga or these some rules are the basic foundation of real yoga. So from here yoga is start, not asana, not pranayama. This is next thing we are going to discuss in future videos. So let's discuss what type of violence you do every day, intentionally or non-intentionally. Sometimes you do it unintentionally, but you are not aware what you are doing. So let's discuss some violence, what you do in your daily life. Number 1 is eating non-veg is a very big crime you do every day. Most people do every day. Even today it's a trend to eating non-veg. No, this is a big violence to the animals, and in yoga there is no space of violence. You are eating animals, killing them. Some people kill animals on a very cruelty level. This is very bad. So this type of violence is not accepted in yoga. You are doing yoga and not happy. This is the reason if you eat non-veg and doing yoga. Next is negative self-talk for yourself. I am not good in this, I am not capable of this, I am smart, I am not smart. So this type of negative thoughts, when comes to your mind, it is a violence to yourself with your thoughts. Next is gossiping in someone's back. You are doing gossips. You are not aware that this is not our human nature, doing gossips, doing negative talks, doing violence, any kind of violence. This is not our nature. So do not gossip someone back. This type of gossip is a kind of violence. Next is harsh word. When you are in anger, you say anything to anyone, even to your children, even to your parents, even to your colleagues. You do verbal anger. This is also a violence. Next is wasting time on social media, scrolling screen day by day and doing nothing. This is violence with your future, with your destiny. You are wasting purpose of your life. Next is harming insects. Even by mistakes, sometimes you kill a mosquito, sometimes you walk on a group of insects somewhere if you see, and you walk on them and you do not feel that they are also living beings, and every life matters on this earth. This is not only yours, this is for everyone. Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. This earth is everyone's home. So don't do this type of violences. Next, you are eating junk foods, you are overeating and you do not understand the signal of your body, and then you get sick. So this is also violence with your body. This is the temple of God, this body. God lives in this body. You are putting garbage in this body. So this is also violence. Next is judging others. You do it all the time. He is that, he is that. He is not good. He did this to me. Maybe he is not capable of this. Judging on your experience, not on his experience or her experience. You are judging anyone by your experience. Even in your thoughts, if you are doing this is also a kind of violence. Next is silencing others. You suppress the voice of others. You do not allow them to speak. You do not allow them, your colleagues, to speak. This is also kind of violence, and this is a big violence. This is a violence of freedom of speech, freedom of expression. You are suppressing their freedom of speech, freedom of expression. This is a violence. So do not make this mistake. Next is damaging nature. You are polluting water, you are polluting air, you are wasting water. If somewhere a tap is open, you do not try to close it. So this is also a violence to this nature, this Mother Earth, which is a shared home for everyone. So do not make these type of mistakes, this type of violence. I am telling you, if you do not follow these basics, then you will not be happy in your life. This is the real yoga. I am telling you. What real yoga is? Yoga is awareness, living with this universe with awareness, full awareness, complete awareness. Awareness is yoga. Yoga is a practice of awareness. You have to be very mindful. You have to live in union with this universe. This is yoga. So from today, start seeing violence outside also, but first look inside. From your side, violence should not be started. Look, violence should not be in your thoughts, in your actions, in your words, in your habits, and in your reactions or actions. There should be no violence. So first start from you. So what you have to do daily? Let's practice Ahimsa. How do you practice? Be gentle with your thoughts. Are you going to gossip? Are you going to say any negative things? Or you are going to think negative for yourselves also? You have to be very aware of your thoughts. Eat with compassion. Eat slowly. And remember, peace is not a pose. It's daily practice. You have to practice daily. What comes in your thoughts? Is there violence? Can I change my thoughts? Yes, you can change your thoughts. And this is the essence of yoga. You have to rewire your brain. So before doing asanas and pranayama, start your yoga journey with Ahimsa, which is the first part of Yam. And in our next video, we will going to discuss the second part of Yam, that is Satya, speaking truth. So don't forget to subscribe my channel and share it with anyone. Share it with everyone, with your relatives, wherever they live in this world. Om Namah Shivaya. From Yogi Global to the world.